So, you've heard of Spocket, right? This platform that promises to revolutionize your dropshipping business. But here's the burning question: is Spocket actually a supplier? Let's dive a little deeper. When we think of a supplier, we often imagine a warehouse, a team of workers, and a vast inventory of products. Spocket, however, presents itself as a platform that connects you with suppliers. But does that mean it's a supplier itself? The truth about Spocket. The short answer is no, Spocket isn't a direct supplier. It's essentially a middleman, a marketplace that aggregates products from various suppliers around the world. When you sign up for Spocket, you gain access to this curated list of suppliers, but you're not buying directly from Spocket. The pros and cons of using Spocket. Pros. Easy to use, Spocket simplifies the process of finding and sourcing products. Product variety, you have access to a wide range of products from different suppliers. Shipping options, Spocket often offers faster shipping options, especially for customers in the US and Europe. Product images and descriptions, high-quality product images and detailed descriptions are provided. Cons. Limited control, as a middleman, Spocket has less control over the quality of products and shipping times. Potential for price fluctuations, supplier prices can fluctuate, affecting your profit margins. Dependency on third-party suppliers, issues with suppliers, such as stockouts or delays, can impact your business. So, should you use Spocket? Ultimately, the decision to use Spocket depends on your specific needs and business goals. If you're a beginner looking for a simple way to start a dropshipping business, Spocket can be a good starting point. However, if you're an experienced dropshipper seeking more control and flexibility, you might want to consider sourcing directly from suppliers. Key takeaways. Spocket is not a direct supplier. It's a platform that connects you with various suppliers. Using Spocket can simplify the dropshipping process, but it comes with certain limitations. Weigh the pros and cons before deciding if Spocket is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.